Hello, our dear learners! Warm welcome to our channel. Today's video is about prepositions of time in, on and at. If you are not confident with the usage of these and don't know where and how to use them, watch this video and do the grammar quiz at the end to facilitate your knowledge. Let's get started. Our first preposition of time is on. We use on when we talk about days and dates. For example, I'm going to see my friends on Friday. Next week, on the 5th of June, I'm visiting the dentist. The 5th of June is a date and we use on. I spend time outside on my birthday. The next preposition is at. We use at to talk about the time of the day. So the preposition on was about days, but at is more specific. It is about a particular time of the day. What is a particular time of the day? At 6 o'clock, for example. My dinner is at 6 o'clock. Or at dinner time, at lunchtime. I eat sandwiches at lunchtime. I drink a glass of cold water at dinner time. What else? At sunset, at sunrise, at midnight, at night. Yes, with the word night we use a preposition at to talk about nights in general. For example, I usually sleep like a log at night. Talking about a specific time of the day, we use at for at Christmas, at New Year. But pay attention here. There are some examples. I will meet my parents at Christmas. I will meet my parents on Christmas Day. I will call my friends to wish them well at New Year. I will call my friends to wish them luck on New Year's Day. As you can see, at is used with celebrations, specific days. But when we use day, we have to change at to on. Remember that on is always about days. We put the word day and the preposition at is changed to on. Also, at is used in some expressions such as at the moment, at this time, at present, at the same time. And the last preposition when we talk about the time is in. In is used to talk about seasons, months, years. It refers to a longer period of time. For example, my birthday is in summer. My birthday is in July. The summer was hot in 2023. Also, in is used in some expressions such as in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. But if we put the name of the day, we have to use the preposition on. For example, he is going to the cinema in the evening. He is going to the cinema on Saturday evening. I hope this was a helpful explanation. And to check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly, please follow the link in the description of this video to do the quiz with more examples. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next videos. Goodbye!